Unlock the ultimate power of nature with pure water. Introducing the most revolutionary hair care innovation ever. Attractive, intelligent people use pure water. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. No parabens, no sulfates, no regrets. Just pure water. Effortless, effective, and easy to rinse. While shampoos strip away your hair's natural defenses, water cleanses gently, preserving strength, balance, and shine. Healthier scalp, softer strands, effortless beauty, naturally. Because the best hair care secret isn't in a bottle. Pure water, just you, just beautiful.
May cause shorter showers, leading to sleeping in, lower power bill, lower water bill, and less gross stuff growing in your bathroom. May cause greater health due to smearing less toxic gunk on your body. May cause greater wealth due to buying less of this crap. Studies show improvements in beautiful hair, beautiful skin, and less body odor.